hey Grace nen han in story and so china ang iti hi kumngania KG1 St. Mary's School kalme kani tu na hian oh zani na hian ang story nge oh min shildon ang iti hian
Little Red Riding Hood.
okay now you tell me the story of that Red Riding Hood.
Once upon a time, there's a little Red Riding Hood, and his mother told, "Hey, Little Red Riding Hood, I'm in charge again. Here, I'll give you this basket, and I'll give you this gun, and go to Grandma, but don't talk to anyone, okay? But keep going. When they talk to you, don't talk to them. So you have to go up in the hill. Bye bye." And there was a big fox. But be careful with their big fox and don't talk to them, okay? And the Little Red Riding Hood said, "Okay, Mom, but give me some chocolate so I can go and do tea." And he gives some chocolate and he put in the basket and go and ate all the chocolate and go. And there was a big fox, but his mother and fisherman told there's a big fox in the field, but don't talk to him. And he talked to him. And the Little Red Riding Hood actually forgot his mother told about it. And he talked to the fox. "Hello, my name is Little Red Riding Hood." And he go after him and say, "Hello, my name is Little Red Riding Hood. I'm picking this basket for my grandma up there in the hill." "Oh, I know. I know. Let's pick some beautiful flowers. I'll wait for you." And the fox said, "I'll put some flowers for you." And he put some flowers in the red one. And he go up the hill with the fox and ate grandma and put his clothes on and the Little Red Riding Hood finish the flower and go up the hill. And it was a fox. What makes eyes to have? Granny, better to see you. What big ears you have, Granny? I better to hear you. What ears you have? Well, I didn't eat you. And he eat the Little Red Riding Hood. And the woodcutter came said, "Help, help!" the Little Red Riding Hood. And he go and no one's there in the house. And he looked in the inside and there was a mean fox. And the fox was sleeping. And the fox actually sleep on Granny's bed.